demostrado. Ya me voy a despedir, pero hay que librero y esto muy...
Alright, so this is the aftermath of that furnace that we ended up upgrading. So here it is. Here's the plenum. I ended up having to modify it a little bit. That stuff you see right there, that's mastic. That's to, you know, like seal it up a little bit. I try to mastic as much as I can. Even in the stuff I didn't do, you know, just so it looks nice. Here's the exhaust for high efficiency right here, PVC. At the end of the day, it's all strapped out of here. Here's the drain for the furnace and the air conditioner. It goes into a pump, and then the pump pumps it out. Let me give you guys a shot of that. And then pumps out, and at the end of the day, it comes over here. Gas line had to reroute, but at the end of the day, it came out perfect, straight. Union, drip leg. Alright, so this is the unit that we ended up putting in for the back. GOODMAN 3.5 ton, new disconnect, new whip, metallic metal too, not the plastic whip. And then same thing, we ended up brazing the copper here, small line here. I like to do this with the thermostat wire. And then I ended up sealing over here so no water gets in there. But yeah, this is what it looks like.